Hello, welcome to our tutorial. In this part, we will talk about creating ads for your player. Here we have the option to create video ads. Just come here and click on this option to create a new ad. And here we have the option to select the video. After that, just click on this option, and here it will provide information on whether it meets the necessary standards. After that, let's continue. We will send this video. Here we have the video information and options to skip this ad so your viewers can skip it. And also the option for it to not be skippable. Here we have the option to limit views of this video. And we also have the location of the video of the ad. And here are the minutes, well, the seconds really, in which it can be moved as needed. And here is the limitation by date. Below we have the option to limit this video or not according to geolocation. We also have the banner option where you can insert two types of banner. One 728 by 90 and one 320 by 100. And just below you also have the option to insert a title, a link, so that it is clickable. If you do not include this link, it will not be clickable, only the banner will remain. The maximum number of views and the number of clicks if this banner has a link inserted. And also the option to limit by date. We also have the option of insertion with Google AdSense, where you will be able to insert an ad through this tool. Here you will be able to take our domain and insert it into your Google AdSense account so that it can give you a block of code to insert here, so that this integration can occur. So that's it until the next tutorial.